device described is a cut-in non-metallic receptacle. It is a single-piece receptacle designed to be cut into drywall or siding, eliminating the need for a traditional electrical box. Manufacturers include Leviton with their Smart Box, Hubble with Sure Fit, Carlon with cut-in, and Eagle Electric with cut-in. Common features are pre-installed wire clamps to secure the non-metallic cable, Integral mounting wings to provide stability, a grounding screw which eliminates the need for pigtail, a design intended for use with Romex non-metallic cable, and they are typically rated for 15 amps, 125 volts. These cut-in non-metallic receptacles are not recognized by the National Electrical Code Section 90.1 in all areas. However, they are permitted in some jurisdictions, including Arkansas, according to the Arkansas Electric Code. While cut-in non-metallic receptacles may be convenient, they do have some drawbacks. Firstly, they are not as secure as receptacles mounted in a box. Secondly, they may be more difficult to remove or replace in the future. Thirdly, they can be more prone to vibration and noise.